Abound. Abound. Meaning: to exist in large numbers or amounts. The garden abounds in colorful flowers during spring. The market abounds with fresh fruits and vegetables. Related words: overflow, proliferate, team, excel. Excel. Meaning: to be exceptionally good at something. She excels at playing the piano. He excels in mathematics. Related words: succeed, outperform, surpass, outclass. Outclass. Meaning: to surpass in skill or ability. The basketball team displayed their complete domination over their opponents, winning by 30 points. Her skills in negotiation were clearly superior to those of her colleagues. Related words: surpass, outperform, excel, outdo. Outdo. Meaning: to surpass or excel. She really outdid herself with that amazing dessert. Our company always strives to outdo the competition. Related words: exceed, outmatch, excel, beat, surpass, outperform. Outperform. Meaning: to do better than others. The company's stock managed to outperform expectations this quarter. Our new product has the potential to outperform the competition. Related words: excel, surpass, outshine, outstrip, outrank. Outrank. Meaning: to have a higher rank or position than others. The young lieutenant managed to outrank his commanding officer due to his exceptional skill. The new smartphone quickly outranked its competitors in terms of sales and customer satisfaction. Related words: dominate, surpass, outclass, outshine. Outshine. Meaning: to surpass in brightness or excellence. Her smile never fails to brighten up the room. She always manages to outperform her colleagues. Related words: outperform, outstrip, outclass, outstrip. Outstrip. Meaning: to surpass in a race or competition. The company's innovative marketing strategy helped them outstrip their competitors. The new product launch outstripped all expectations, leading to record-breaking sales. Related words: outrun, surpass, exceed, outweigh. Outweigh. Meaning: to be more significant or important than. The risks of investing in the stock market outweigh the potential benefits. The expenses of owning a luxury car often outweigh the comfort it provides. Related words: outbalance, override, dominate, pass. Pass. Meaning: move in a specified direction, go past something, or become law. The Senate passed a new healthcare reform bill. She studied for weeks in order to pass her final exams. Related words: passage, passport, passing, passenger, past, prevail, prevail, meaning, be victorious. After a long battle, the champion finally prevailed over his opponent. The prevailing winds in this region are from the northwest. Related words: dominate, prevailing, conquer, triumph, succeed, 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 meaning, achieve desired aim or result. After years of hard work, she finally succeeded greatly in her career. He has always been determined to succeed academically and get good grades. Related words: prosper, attain, triumph, achieve, excel, triumph, triumph, meaning, great victory or achievement. The team worked hard and eventually achieved triumph. The politician claimed triumph after winning the election. Related words: victory, success, conquer, glory, succession, win, win, meaning, be victorious. The team was able to win the championship game. He was ecstatic to win the first place prize in the writing competition. Related words: success, champion, conquer, victory, triumph. What is the meaning of the word excel? The answer is A. To be exceptionally good at something. What is the meaning of the word outweigh? The answer is A. To be more significant or important than. What is the meaning of the word succeed? The answer is A. Achieve desired aim or result. Which of the following word means achieve desired aim or result? The answer is A. Succeed. What is the meaning of the word triumph? The answer is D. Great victory or achievement. Which of the following word means to exist in large numbers or amounts? The answer is A. Abound. What is the meaning of the word outrank? The answer is B. To have a higher rank or position than others. Which of the following word means great victory or achievement? The answer is D. Triumph. Which of the following word means to surpass in skill or ability? The answer is B. Outclass. What is the meaning of the word pass? The answer is D. Move in a specified direction, go past something, or become law. What is the meaning of the word prevail? The answer is C. Be victorious. Which of the following word means to have a higher rank or position than others? The answer is B. Outrank. What is the meaning of the word outstrip? The answer is D. To surpass in a race or competition. Which of the following word means be victorious? The answer is C. Prevail. Which of the following word means to surpass in brightness or excellence? The answer is C. Outshine. What is the meaning of the word outshine? The answer is D. To surpass in brightness or excellence. Which of the following word means be victorious? The answer is C. Win. Which of the following word means to do better than others? The answer is A. Outperform. What is the meaning of the word abound? The answer is D. To exist in large numbers or amounts. What is the meaning of the word win? The answer is D. Be victorious. What is the meaning of the word outperform? The answer is A. To do better than others. Which of the following word means to be more significant or important than? The answer is B. Outweigh. Which of the following word means to surpass in a race or competition? The answer is C. Outstrip. What is the meaning of the word outdo? The answer is B. To surpass or excel. Which of the following word means to surpass or excel? The answer is D. Outdo. What is the meaning of the word outclass? The answer is A. To surpass in skill or ability. Which of the following word means move in a specified direction, go past something, or become law? The answer is B. Pass. Which of the following word means to be exceptionally good at something? The answer is B. Excel.